Alright guys, just want to give you a little update where I'm at on this thing. Haven't made a video of it in a while, but since I got it running, I have done a few little things to it. One of the first things I did was replace this quarter glass because it was well, it was pretty well shattered. Yeah, it's pretty bad. So anyway, got that replaced. Actually got both rear quarter glasses for 50 bucks off Craigslist. Thought that was a hell of a deal, couldn't pass it up, so went ahead and replaced that. As far as the interior, I've done a little bit of work in here. Whoever used to own this car got a little crazy with the black spray paint and had painted everything. Well, I got tired of paint flicking off everywhere, so I pulled everything out, re-dyed everything back to the color it's supposed to be. So now the headliner is gray instead of black. Even pulled the carpet out, and might be hard to tell, but I re-dyed all of it, so it looks a lot better in here. Still got to come up with a controller for the heating and air conditioning, then I can finally put all the console and everything back in. Got to figure out why the speedometer don't work, the horn don't work. Once I figure that out, then I can put the dash back together. But still got a bit of work to do. Come on, baby. Haven't started in a while. Yeah, it's about out of gas. Oh well. Where's that? Got a fresh tune-up finally. After about 5 years, it's finally got fresh oil in it. Runs like a new one. Still smoking. She's coming together. Alright guys, couldn't resist. Figured I'd take a little test drive up and down the road. Can't really tell, but it's going to be nearly impossible since this is the only brake I got. Foot brake, just nothing. Alright, see how this works. I'm going to be turning the camera with the fucking steering wheel, but oops, helps to put it in reverse. Alright. Alright. And we're moving. God, this is so fun. Hopefully nobody's coming. Oh, son of a bitch. Jesus. I'm gonna do a test drive here. Alright. There's one little mark I left.